Hey guys, and welcome to How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to enable or disable Bumble notifications on your web browser. Now let's begin. Log into Bumble if you already have not. Well, once you've logged in, you need to go to your profile. At the top left corner, you will find your profile name and your profile picture. Simply click on it. Initially, we will be in the Edit Profile section. From here, you can add your profile prompts, you can add about yourself, your work and education, your basics. You can also link your accounts, your Instagram, your Spotify. It's up to you. But for now, we're gonna go on to Settings. And on the Settings app, if we scroll down, we will find the Notification settings. Let's click on it. Well, as you can see, there are lots of notification sounds here. Almost all my notifications are turned off. If you simply toggle on these buttons, you will get notification for new messages by browser notifications. You just need to turn off all of these buttons to not receive any notifications at all on your browser. For instance, it's turned on, you can simply turn it off, do not receive any notifications. Well guys, that's it. That is how you turn off notifications for Bumble on your web browser. Hope you guys liked this video, and for more informative content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.